Vyove ya kiuteti niende kuikumbila isioni kivathukanio umuthi kuya kauntini ya Kwale. President wa Kenya William Ruto nuwaisie atongoi ni maile kutongoisya undu vaile na kuikithia kila enende ni ananie na nimeumia mawoni alama tethia nthi ya Kenya kimaendeo. President Ruto ni wathingilila vata wa umwe na ngwatania sya enende na atongo ya ayasya vai mundu ona umwe ula wailete kukila ungi indi enende onthe malembetani onthe nimeanene na akisio ni sya ile unewa ndaya. Joseph Kitheka ena mauvo.
Ainene ya Kyathini cha Kutania ngumbo ilesyo kitiwi ya thiwa nthi kana Mashujaa ndi ila ya miongo thanthatu nemwe kyathikile chetha kiitwa kwa kauntini ya Kwale. President Ruto ni wakathia muno atongoia la mai kauni u ahiweta ta mavundisi kana nzia wa yonthe ya nthi ya Kenya tayanene nelengi na kila mundu tawelite ukwatana na ulongi kwende ya kumba nthi mbewa valasi maitu matene mamivikisye.
The great lesson that has been passed down to us from their era, and which we must faithfully transmit clearly and boldly to the future generations, is that every citizen of Kenya is a full and equal member of our political community, entitled to make a contribution to nation building, and with an inalienable right to a full, just, and fair share of all the benefits that accrue from our development.
Thini wakilecho onekata kwenda umutina kwanze imwe kana ingi ulokutoa munini wake Rigathi Gachagua na ulakwa oyua mamanyanya make uteti methi tome mukone ndeto cia kwenda kuaan'ya nthi na kuweta totailite mwanyani usuwa munini wa President Ruto ni woneka muno aiweta siasa cia mwaniko wa mbai ondu muna mulengo wa siasa yesa itikilika ingi vanthi ya Kenya aiweta mu Kenya ta umwe nthi ya Kenya ta imwe na itesa kuaan'ywa ni mundu.
No proposition to discriminate or to unjustly diminish one while enlarging another's right is admissible anywhere. Therefore, any formula seeking to exclude, alienate, or disenfranchise any person, group of community for any reason is repugnant to the very essence of our nationhood. We are one people, and Kenya is one united, indivisible, and sovereign nation. Ladies and gentlemen, freedom came at great cost and was won against overwhelming odds. It called for a capacity to embrace immense sacrifice and willingness to pay the ultimate price. We remember them and appreciate their sacrifices. We recognize their achievements and acknowledge that the nation we have today, with its past history and future prospects, is a legacy of their work, commitment, and life. Every day, the Constitution commands us to honor our freedom fighters who struggled heroically to bring freedom and justice to our land by living up to the spirit of Mashujaa in the way we relate with one another.
Ingi ni warumiviso yukuweta kana Kenya ramena mwanya au kwatilila uthasi wo umwe ondu muna kutetea uthasi wa siama mbingi va Kenya na kuungamia katiba kwa nikenda kuikithia nthi ini yungamitie.
We have been here before, Kenyans, times without number. Many Kenyans were anxious about the prospects of the freedom struggle and doubted the capacity of our freedom fighters to defeat the formidable power of the empire. Some were afraid that what they saw as an uncertain future in an independent nation, in contrast with the very real, if undesirable, present in an oppressive colony. Later, when challenging the single-party monopoly, many worried that embracing democratic pluralism might destabilize the country and lead to state collapse.
Joseph Kitheka ngilivote vlingi wa Muvo Mutongoi TV.